Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas, ETF ticker symbol UNG. Today natural gas is up around 1.36% on the 1 hour chart. We seem to be reversing after touching the resistance level on the 200 moving average on the 4 hour chart. On the daily chart, we may have a good possibility of turning positive on the daily MACD, but first we have to close above the 50-day moving average. As of now, that is resistance, and as you can see, we are closing right below the 50-day moving average, and we have about 40 minutes left of trading. So our first resistance is the 50-day moving average. So I'll mark that as resistance, and that price is at 23.24. And for support, I do believe we will find support at the 9-day moving average. So once we touch the 9-day moving average, we may continue sideways and eventually reach positive MACD, and that may take a couple of days. So if we were to move up higher, that price or percent movement is about 60 basis points. And if we were to reverse and find support on the 9-day moving average, the blue line, that price movement will be around 1.5% move down. Onto the next module, I'll compare today's current trend with this trend that dated back to October 23rd, 2017 to January 17th, 2018. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here is in the beginning of the current trend. We start off above the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to go on down in a down channel. As you can see here, we proceeded to go down, and we see several instances of attempts of reaching the middle Bollinger Band, but not quite. It got rejected, and then we finally hit bottom, and then we proceeded in an up channel, touching the upper Bollinger Band as we are in current trend. So as of now, we seem to be in an up channel, and we may hit the middle Bollinger Band, or possibly in the technical analysis, the 9-day moving average, or 9-day or 18-day moving averages. And as you can see here, the trend is somewhat similar as well. What we have here in the beginning is starting off in above the middle Bollinger Band, and then we have a down channel, and then we saw an attempt here to touch the middle Bollinger Band, which it did, but not quite for several days, only one day. And then it finally found support, and it proceeded on an up channel, touching the upper Bollinger Band right here. And we have the channel, an up channel drawn here. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. And we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points that are similar. There's reason to believe that the trends or patterns are similar. The outcome or forecast would also be similar. So on the forecast model, I'll go day by day, where natural gas or UNG will head to the next coming days. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So again, the trend that I took a look at was October 23rd, 2017 to January 17th, 2018. Back then, natural gas was up around 2%. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.